Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Today we discuss very common problem we facing while we reading any CSV file in Jupyter notebook. So first I show you what is the problem we face. You can see I have a write a code for load CSV file. When I'm trying to execute it, it show me the error. So how to solve this problem? In this video I show you the three way to solve this problem. To solve this problem, you just write a small r after the opening parenthesis, and let's try to run this. I can see it doesn't show me any error here, so I show you whether we load a data successfully or not. You can see we successfully load our data in Jupyter notebook. In second way, you just make it double double backward slash. Let's try to run this and see whether it show me any error or not. You can see it doesn't show me any error, and I see you and I show you the data. Yes, it show the data properly. In third way, you just remove all the backward slashes and make it forward. So remove all the backward slashes and make it forward. And let's try to run this line of code. You can see again it doesn't show me any error. So let's see the data. Yes, you can see in all these three way we can easily fetch our CSV file in Jupyter notebook. This is all for this video. See you in next video. Till happy learning.